Hey, I'm Travis, and welcome to Beard Network. Hey guys, today I'm going to be reviewing Honest Amish, specifically their beard oil and their beard wax. Alright, so the first product is their beard oil. It's priced around $14 online. It's not too bad, pretty good price for standard bottle of beard oil. And it's an all natural beard oil. That's pretty standard these days. But the beard oil itself works pretty well for me. I don't have any complaints on that side. But it's the smell that's the kicker for me. Me personally, I just don't prefer it. It smells like licorice mixed with Fireball, honestly. But they do have some products on their website that do say licorice scented. So maybe it's just the overall theme of theirs. I'm not quite sure, but I don't enjoy the smell too much. But where it becomes unacceptable is my wife's opinion. She does not like it at all. When I had it on, she didn't want to be near my face, and that's not a good thing. So, if she doesn't like it, then I'm not gonna wear it. It has to be something that she approves too. So, yeah, overall, as far as it working, it works pretty good. But it's just the smell is just not my thing. You might enjoy that smell. If you want to check it out, I'd advise checking it out because it works pretty good overall. Now the second thing is the beard wax. I also have some beard wax. It has the same kind of scent to it, so I mean, I'm not going to be buying any more of it, but the wax actually works pretty good as well too. It's pretty good products. It's just the smell, man. I put the wax on and it helped tame those wild hairs that were coming out, because I'm trying to keep it maintained to where it grows the way I want. And it definitely helped me do that. But man, walking around with that smell all day just kind of bugged me. And again, my wife ain't gonna come around, so I gotta be able to get her around me, But yeah, overall good products. I'd recommend it to anybody who might be interested in licorice scented things. But me personally, I'm just not gonna be buying it again. So I know this was another short video, but if you did find this information helpful, if you would, please subscribe and hit that like button. I'd greatly appreciate it. And have a great day.